Hi guys, we're gonna have a case. We're gonna show you what to predict when you take out a wisdom tooth. So let's check the wisdom tooth on. We're about to evaluate and take out number 16 and 17. 16 look huge and big, right? And so you do get some concern because the sinus is right there, and on the lower part you see the abscess of the distal corner of number 17 there. Huge. You got to tell patient. And there's a nerve right here as well. So before you make any kind of judgment decision, let's look at patient inside patient mouth. You go inside patient mouth, your decision gonna feel good or bad based on what you see here. So now when you look inside, you actually see number 16 right there. So actually that's a good sign. That's gonna be not too bad for you to put the elevator in there and take it out, okay? And same thing on the 17, you can see that you actually see the tooth. That gives you a lot of hope. So let's go in and take care of this, okay? Look like you have an extra tooth. Actually, this is another extra tooth here. So you have more than one tooth. The extra tooth comes right out here. This is like extra tooth for him. So one baby tooth right there. But then behind the extra tooth is the decay. So you can see now it's the decay tooth right there. We go in, same strategy. I can see that his bone is really strong. This is 25 years old individual. Strong bone. 1, 2, 3. So there's mobility, which is good sign. Try again. You can see mobility is there. It's kind of slippery. Right. See the saline irrigation. Some of the people say, you didn't do anything. Why would you irrigate the tube? Well, because the thing is, when you placing your instrument in, you might have put some, pressure or bacteria into your gum, his gum. So you make sure you disinfect the area. It's a good idea to do that. Close and bite. See right there, it's actually two. On the X-ray you don't see that, but it's got two teeth numb. So I'm gonna just make sure that he is numb. So this is how it looks, okay? Right in there. So assuming that the tooth will come out, so we release so that way that we have enough room for it to come out. Otherwise, it doesn't have any room to come out at all. And then also the reason we have to release at least one tooth adjacent is to so we can, when we suture, we're able to suture more. And so I start from here all the way here, but I still need to release more. I would say right here on the buccal, so we can flap it out easy. Lift up this portion here. Oh yes, look at the infection here. See that right there? The white pus coming out.
Yes.
So it's been infected. But patient is not aware. To the second molar, because we don't have enough room. You can hold it there. Yeah. So now we have somewhat visibility of this side here. Very deep infection there. I'm gonna try this and see how it moves. See the mobility there. So now we have a deep infection here. Take a look at the infection. The calculus have been stuck in there. So there was a calculus underneath that. That's why there was an infection. So we, part of the removing the wisdom tooth, we have to remove all the infection before you suture it up. Otherwise, it can be a problem. Facial swelling after extraction. So we didn't clean up enough down there. Very important. Let's clean one, but now we're going to clean one more. Starting wherever we flat, we have to clean it again. Again, this is hemostasis agent to stop the bleeding, allow the bleeding to stabilize. I put at least a couple more. Again, this is hemostasis agent to stop the bleeding, allow the bleeding to stabilize. I put at least a couple more. Try again. Okay. And bite. calculus where underneath is, so sometimes the tooth doesn't hurt, doesn't mean that it's okay. So the food accumulate here, and the bacteria carry the food down here and causing a huge calculus here, and there's no way that the patient can clean it. That's why the infection is really big right here. If you look.
You don't have the space, so you can delete it. Thank you.
Gala, positive people, spotlighting everyday heroes in our community. Young America is sharing a story about God's provision under incredibly difficult circumstances.
At 7:18 a.m. on January 1st, 2020.
All right, thank you for watching. I'm hoping that you like what I did, and have any questions, comment below, and also contact me for more information. Thank you for watching.